Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another beauty box unboxing for November and it is Glossybox. And if you're new to the subscription and you want to learn a little bit more, then carry on watching. But as always, if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's inside, then you will find a timestamp down below in my comments, so you're free to flick forward. This box is kindly gifted to me as a PR sample, so I'm able to share with you. All links and everything related to this box you'll find down below, as well as code GLOSSY, which will entitle you to receive a discount at checkout. This is Glossybox UK. There are other glossy boxes around the world, but what you're seeing is solely for the UK. It costs £14.75 a month, and that includes shipping. And inside you receive 5 beauty treats, ranging from anything beauty related: skincare, makeup, hair care, makeup tools, and sometimes we get a freebie as well. They do offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost. One of the benefits of being a subscriber is that you're able to have priority access on any of their limited edition boxes, on their advent calendars, and you're often able to have discounts on them as well. You're essentially getting a mystery box, so some months are better than others. The value of the boxes have a guaranteed minimum of £50. If there's anything I've missed out, then please ask away. But yeah, so let's get on to showing you what's inside their November box. The theme this month is rock and glam, and you've got a QR code there to scan. Now I'm a little late in receiving this. Normally I receive it early on in the month, so I can't remember exactly what's in here. I can't remember, but it smells gorgeous. There, you're not going to be able to see much with all the paper worms. But yeah, okay, so let's scan this then and give you a sneak peek for December. Ah, it doesn't show me. It just talks a little bit about the advent calendar. Merry Christmas, Glossies. Despite the frosty weather, we're saying goodbye to 2021 with a heartwarming edition full of lovingly selected classics and trending products. But it doesn't give us a theme and it doesn't give us a sneak peek. Unfortunately, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Okay, starting off by Nip and Fab. This is Salicylic Fix Face Scrub, Cleansing Lotus Flower and Salicylic Infused Scrub to purify, and there's 75 mils here. This is full size and it is worth £9.95. Nip and Fab Salicylic Scrub will give your skin a new lease of life, as this manual and chemical exfoliation will work deep under the skin to remove excess oil, dirt and blocked pores. Add this into your skincare routine for a congested and blemish-free complexion. You will not be disappointed. So there's that. Next we have got here, this is by Doctors Cosmeceutical, or Doctors Formula. Photo Finish Effect in a Flash. Minimise the appearance of pores, fine lines and uneven skin texture. Helps to lock in moisture and keep makeup in place. And there's 30 mils here. So this must be a primer then. Smooth a pea-sized amount onto face and neck, applying circular motions into the skin after cleansing. Allow to dry and then apply your makeup on top. Ooh, I love it when a primer mentions pores. Ooh, it's a gel. Let's see if I can notice it doing anything to these pores down the side there. Ah, Doctor's Formula has the most amazing scents for their products. It just smells like the Body Shop Dewberry. You might not be able to pick that up on the camera. But yeah, it feels nice on the skin. But yeah, I'll have to try it on my face. I can't really say. This 30ml primer is worth £89. Give your face a filter with this velvety primer. An all-round winner that will prepare the skin for the camera and no makeup days, whilst being 100% cruelty and paraben free. So yeah, I'm going to have to try it on my face, but I can't really tell from my pores. It's not a pore filling primer, not like your Benefit Professionals or Smashbox, you know, photo primer and things like that. They really disguise your pores. Next up, we've got a Rock and Glam Spectrum brush, a Smoky Shader A40. Purple, look, or is it navy? It looks navy on the camera there, but yeah. This eye brush costs £7.99, a makeup bag must, and the perfect companion for your floss eyeshadow palette in the box, which I'll go to next. Let the soft bristles seamlessly blend eye pigments across the eye for a flawless blend, whilst adding definition to your crease. Makeup brush. This is a eyeshadow squad in, oh there, Almost Nude. I like the packaging. So there's no mirror there, but there's the shades. Yeah, almost nude. They're really nice shades actually. You've got a nice mix there of mattes and shimmers. I don't know much about this brand. I think there's been 1 or 2 products in a Glossybox before. I do really like the packaging. It's a cool design. And the shades are nice if you want to go for like a neutral look. But the theme is rock and glam, so I'm a bit confused why we've got a neutral palette. I would have thought we'd have something more like jewel toned, or at least, you know, darker, warmer browns maybe, even with a black. I'm not sure. Yeah, I just thought we would get something more edgy then, you know. This will cost you £14.50. Pigmented mattes to glowing shimmers. This is the perfect product to start the party season off. This eyeshadow palette offers 4 blendable and buildable colours to let you mix up the level of glam you desire for any occasion. So there's that. And then lastly, we've got a Sacha Joanne anti-pollution shampoo, and there's 30 mils there. Gutted there's no conditioner. I'd much prefer to have a duo of a shampoo and conditioner, just because that's how I use them. This is worth £6. Containing 3 unique ingredients, this product will smooth your hair and create a barrier from pollution and hard water buildup, whilst reducing colour fade. Your hair will love this product instantly. So there you go. So those are all the products inside this month's Glossybox. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. We've got a Nip and Fab Salicylic Fix Face Scrub. We've got a Doctor's Formula Photo Face Primer. We've got a Spectrum A40 Shading Brush. We've got a Floss Almost Nude Eyeshadow Palette. And lastly, Sacha Joanne Anti-Pollution Shampoo. Looking at the products, I can't wait to try the primer, see what that is like on my face, how it all blends my imperfections and disguises them. Hopefully it does. Bit confused on the palette, was expecting something more of a glam look with the palette, not neutral. Love the brush. Go to my collection. The salicylic scrub as well, I will keep that for my daughter as it's more suited for her skin type. Shampoo I'll use at some point as well. These little sizes are handy for taking on holiday or a night away or something. What do you think? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below, and I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. Take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.